Do you remember the slider phones from Nokia? Well, slider phones might come from Nokia, but that was 10 years ago. Now, time has changed, and every company is trying to bring new things to you. Samsung is introducing us to a lot of interesting devices in 2019, like Galaxy A50, A40, A30, etc. etc. Recently, they have announced a new Galaxy A80 with triple sliding mechanism camera. And the specialty of the camera is it's completely rotatable. That means you can click your selfies with the rear-facing camera. Want to know more about the device? Please stay tuned, and this is me, Tuhin from ASK with you. Before watching this video, please subscribe my channel and make sure you hit the bell icon to be notified later. Coming back after the intro. The new Galaxy A80 is a complete package for the higher mid-range customers. Especially the design of this phone is phenomenal. It has a huge 6.7-inch full-view display with no cutout or hole on the display. That means you will get a full view experience. But what about the front camera? Don't worry, you will get a new, better selfie camera as the back camera is completely rotatable. When you go to the selfie camera, the mechanism will be popping up and the back camera will be rotated. And this is the main specialty of this device. And you will get a 48 megapixel camera with 8 megapixel wide angle camera and the TOF 3D depth sensing camera. That means you can click a selfie with 48 megapixel camera. That's insane, isn't it? The display of Galaxy A80 is an AMOLED panel with Corning Gorilla Glass 6 protection. The resolution of the display is 1080 x 2400 pixels with 393 ppi. The back of the phone is made of glass and the frame is made of aluminum. It has a power-packed all-new Snapdragon 730 octa-core 8nm processor. With the architecture of 2-core is 2.2 GHz Creo Gold and rest 6 is 1.7 GHz Creo 460 Silver. The GPU of the phone is Adreno 618. The phone will come with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. This phone has no SD card slot. The fingerprint scanner is under the display. The Galaxy A80 has a 3700 mAh lithium polymer battery with USB Type-C fast charging port. The phone supports 25-watt fast charging. The Galaxy A80 will be available in 3 colors: Angel Gold, Ghost White and Phenomenon Black. It will cost you around 650 euros, which is approximately 60,000 Bangladeshi taka. So what do you think about new Galaxy A80? Let us know in the comment box. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. That's it for today. See you later with another interesting video. Till then, stay well, keep well, and before leaving this video, please give a thumbs up to my video. And if you further like this video, you can share it with your friends. Bye bye.